PLUG stock analysis and PLUG stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade, because I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos made, and I have actually proof with all of it on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out. It's taken me 5 years, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Ultimately, it's a bearish range. Like, I'm trying to be kind of not nice here, and it is just the truth. I mean, for me, just last 4 trades that I took, actually last 3, there's been 2 wins, 1 break even. And that's fine, you know. This is, I mean, let me show you the proof when it was at $1.70. Let's go. Yeah, you can see 156 2 months ago. And all I'm here to tell you is that I'm still looking to take it further down. Ideally, the price gives me some sort of shit, but even if it does not, then I'm not gonna sit here and trying to force trades. No, right? I've covered block power just so many times. And it's not just the bearish side, man. Like, when it was bullish and it was juicy, I milked it up, you know. Got 2 trades, one was a win, one was a break even again. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month with eye indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.